Okay, good afternoon, guys. I'm Chuje, and we are from Tunku Abdul Rahman University College, Penang Branch Campus, from ISD Group 2. So today we are going to show you guys our fundamentals of computer networking assignment. So let us start. So firstly, I will show you guys about our network topologies. So from the network topologies, there are total 4 main locations, including location A, location B, location C, and location D. Include a admin office inside location B. So in location B, location A, there are a total of more than 5.1 million of PCs, and known as hosts. So each PC will represent more than 1 million of hosts. Next is location B, contains more than 60,000 of hosts. Location C, 988 hosts, and location D that contains 6,200 of PC, but here we need to add another 11 device that is printer, so the total host is 6,211. So we need to take note of the location D. So the topology that we use is star topologies. So the main reason that we use star topologies is there are a few benefits of star topology. Firstly, by using star topologies, we can avoid from collisions happening. The next benefit is by using star topologies, if one of the hosts or device happens some hazard, the other device or host can still run and perform smoothly and still functioning. So that is the main reason that we use star topologies. So what is star topologies? Star topologies is that every host will connect to the same switch at a particular locations. After that, every switch of the location will be connected to the centralized router that is known as star topologies. So after we understand the topologies, now let me show you the subnet table. So we are using class A that starts from 10.0.0.0.0. After that, the method that we are using is classless method, that from the largest to the smallest host. So from here, we need to use these calculations, 5.1 million times 141%. The reason is the organization requires to increase 41% of hosts. So we need to take the original number of hosts times 141%. So the final value that we get is 7.2 millions of hosts. So after the calculation, later explained by my teammates, the first usable host until the last usable host is the total IP address that allows more than 7.2 millions of hosts to use this network. And another special part is, the unique part is the location D. So we need to take 6,200, add another 11 devices. So the total is 6,211 devices or hosts that need to be calculated. So that's my part. I will pass it to my teammates to explain the following steps or ways to do it, including the ping process. So, Khai, please.
So afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Khai. So now I will talk about the addressing table. First, we will count for the IP address from the router first. We will take for the largest subnet, which is the production A. And then based on the interface, the gigabit 5/1. Now look for the topology. The gigabit 5/1 is connected to the location A. And then we find for the subnet table, the production A. We take the first usable host and then sign in into the IP address. Next, we will sign in to the switch and then to the PC. This is according to the IP with the ascending order. After we sign in all the IP address, we will sign in the subnet mask. We will base on the prefix. For example, the department A, the prefix is /9. And then we find for the subnet mask table. The class A, the /9 is 255.128.00. And then we sign in into the router subnet mask. Continue, all the location A subnet masks are the same. So for the location A switch and also the PC, is the same for the subnet mask. Continue. After we find all the data and also the default gateway, and then we will start to label the IP address beside the devices. This is too easy us to configure when look on the label. So after we label all the devices with the IP address, then we will start to configure from the router and then to the switch, then to the PC. We'll configure the IP address and also the subnet mask and the default gateway. After we configure all the devices, we will start to verify the pin connectivity. We will start from the router first. So now I will start to ping from PC 0 to the router 0. I will take for the IP address from the router 0. This is also the switch 0 default gateway. So I will ping from PC 0 now. Ping to the IP address for the router. So now we can look for the 4 file is received. That means the connectivity from PC 0 to the switch and also to the router is successful. Next, we will ping to the different location and also the different subnet of the switch. And take for the IP address. So now I will ping for maybe PC1. Then I'll ping to it. So same 4 file is received. So the connectivity to the switch is also correct. So now I will ping to the different subnet PC. For example, we ping for PC6. Then we take for the another PC, maybe PC4. Then we ping for it. So ping for the IP. So 4 file is received means that from the subnet location A can connect to the subnet location B. And then maybe you try for other location, maybe PC10, and we connect to the printer 0. So I will start ping from PC10 to printer 0. So the ping is successful because all file is received. Yes, after we trying all the ping, this means all the IP address is correct and is able to work for all the connectivity. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.